Hello guys, I'm back again. As I promised, this is my Peacock acrylic pour. I did it. So I am going to embellish that one, but first I'm going to put my resin on, and it's going to be the embellishment will be on the top. I'm just putting the vinyl on the top of Peacock vinyl. So I got mixed resin here, and I'm using Embellishment resin. This one, so it's 1:1, which already mixed here. So just going to pour, cover the side. This around 40 ml. So just to cover it, whole canvas first, and then I'll go over the side with the silicone brush. I'm not worried about too much if I don't cover whole canvas, or if any spots left, because I'm doing the second layer after putting my peacock, but I have to make sure that it gets covered properly here. So I'm just covering the side now. I'll go for this side. And the last one. Just making sure it's just cover the feather properly. It's alright now. I'm going to pull this one, what have I got left, and just spread it all. Alright, so I'm going to wait until it dries, and I'll do my next step tomorrow. Just going to use my heat gun to pop the bubbles if I have any. That's it. Just got a tiny bit here, need to color. Just making sure it's covered properly. Yeah, it's alright. Just a little bit here. So, there it is. Yeah. Not worried too much about other things, but we see it tomorrow, the next step. So the resin has dry now. Oopsie. So I'm just going to put, you can see how lovely glossy look it has got. So we'll put my Peacock, which is this one I cut in my Cricut. I have already used in my coasters this one, so I just cut the bigger size and thought let me just use in here. It didn't stick properly in a transfer paper, but I'll just stick with my toothpick. Got all my tools upstairs and with my Cricut. When you stick properly in transfer paper, you don't need to do this, so you just go straight to the canvas or wherever you stick it. So stick. So it does give a 3D look when you stick it, when you have an underneath resin layer. That's why I wanted to do the resin layer first and then do the another coat on the top. So you have a look, but once you get resin on top, this one gets sealed with resin. So I'm going to mix my resin and pour it